hip flexor release. We're going to use a barbell here, and you're going to start off with this end of the barbell first. I'm going to try and align the barbell so it's directly across from the joint. We want to try and locate where the hip flexor starts. So my hip bone is right here, come about an inch away. That's the start of the hip flexor there. So I'm just going to rest the barbell on the hip flexor, take the weight off, not much tension going on, and I just want to try and find those high numbers. So the hip flexor starts from here and it ends right down here. So our end position is going to be down here, not any further. We're focusing just on the hip flexor today. As I'm rolling down, not much going on, fairly loose, pretty good. So now I'm going to enhance that by using the end here of the bar, line it up with the hip flexor again, and I'm just going to leave the weight on. I'm just going to hold in this position. Now you start to see here, it's starting to tremble here a little bit because of the tightness. So I'm just going to take deep breaths in through the belly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale. And then that starts to come down. Then once that comes down, I'm going to find a little bit more. So as I'm going further down the leg now, you'll start to see more of a tremble going on here. So stay in that position. We don't want to go too far up, because if you go too far up, it's too much tension going on. So we got to go a little bit behind that. Breathe that down, make sure all those numbers come down. So you're like at a 3 or a 4. You're like, okay, I can go a little bit more now. So then you add a little bit more, and it's not as intense then on the tension onto the muscle. There you go. And once that's all smoothed out, pretty good there.